So I took a ride today to meet a friend of mine at the local Eaton Park for lunch. And I was thinking about dash cams and why people buy them. And I was thinking about a video by Linus Tech Tips when he says almost everyone is wasting money on dash cams. This was a video from about last summer. And I thought about it, and basically what he was saying is the quality of these dash cams is just not very good. And I thought almost everybody has a used or an outdated cell phone or cell phones lying around the house somewhere. I have a total of 4 phones, mostly Motorola, one older Samsung. They all still work. Now granted, my used phones are outdated, but this here, what you're seeing now with this video, is with a Moto G7 Plus. That's about 4 years old. Would it make sense just to use a phone like this or something similar if you're looking to buy a dash cam for whatever reason? And this phone is even capable of 4K. Not that I need 4K or you need 4K, but just think about it next time you're thinking about buying a dash cam. Just use a phone that you have laying around the house. It might work.